Hello, it's Jaime Castro at Digital Images. So I am preparing for our Valentine's Day shoot, and I'm going to be exclusively using the MagBeam for this photo shoot. I'm only going to be using this, so that's my challenge. I'll use probably another flash for using a grid just to kind of fill in, but this is the main thing I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using the real heavy magnifying one. So with that said, I'm real happy that I got a whole set of these, which is the little filters that they create the shape of the beam. However, because it's Valentine's Day and MagMod doesn't offer a heart version, so to kind of stick with the theme, I'm going to be making my own here. So what I did so far as a prep, and as I used the MagMod Spot one as a template, and I found these little I think they're like little balsa wood things at a hobby shop, and I kind of just use that as a template just to kind of center and just to kind of keep the shape of what I want as far as doing the projection. So I've already done a lot of the prep work already, so here's like I used some little rubber stampers that I found on discount as my kind of stencils, because I'm going to Dremel the thing out. So I'm actually going to use a Dremel and carve a lot of it. So I have like these types of shapes, just to kind of give me some variety. May not use all of them in the shoot, but I just want to give myself the option. I also have these that I'm going to try out, which is like, I found some little wood and cardboard stencils. So found this one. I have like a heart-shaped one here. I have a butterfly, which that's not really Valentine's, but it's a kind of a cool shape. This little kind of pattern, and then this one's kind of unique that I found, a little metal type of a heart shape, so I'm definitely going to be experimenting, and it has a magnet, so this will definitely stay on there. So this is what I'm going to try out in my shoot, and I'll see what kind of images I get. So right now I'm just going to go through and create all my stencils here. Alright, so these are the templates I ended up finishing, and the ones I'm going to use that are been pre-made. So ended up carving a whole bunch of little hearts, and we'll see how they all work. Little funky ones as well too. So I'm going to use a little butterfly stencil. I'll definitely use this one here. We'll see how this one looks out. And for the MagBeam, I'm going to be using the real big magnification one. I don't know what the specs are on this one, but it's the one that magnifies pretty much. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to test all these out, and I'll probably post a couple pics, test pics, to see how they turn out. But just one key thing is when you're doing these, and I have found this out, is you can actually put this on here, but remember to always rotate. Always rotate your images, because just like the way your eye works, it inverts the image. So if I want the butterfly to show up on the model or on the wall or something, I want to be able to, well, in this case it doesn't really matter, but like on a heart like this one, I want to make sure I rotate it in here. Now these little wood ones I found, they actually fit in here pretty well, and they'll stay. As you can see, pretty well. These I'm just gonna put in here, and then the magnets will actually just hold it in place, and then I can kind of move it around. Same with this one as well too. So I'm gonna do a couple of test shots here. So again, same concept. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the MagMod, and I'm just gonna put it something like that. Now this one, I want the heart shape almost in the center, so that's how I'm gonna kind of align it. And again, that's the benefit of this MagMod, is that there's really no installation that I have to really worry about. It goes on quick. So again, I'm gonna take a couple shots. All right, the next test is going to be one of those stencils. Now I'm only going to test one out because if one works, then I know all the others work. And just like the little heart pattern, I'm gonna get similar shapes on all those other patterns. So this is going to be the last test. So I'm going to use this little stencil of the heart, and we'll see what we can get on here. Again, I'm going to reverse it and put it on the MagMod, or on the flash. I'm sorry. So again, I'm at 1/8 power. Now this works. So I'm pretty happy with these, and I mean these are in no means are the quality of what MagMod provides, but at least these give me a little more of a custom shape when it comes to for the Valentine's Day shoot that I'm going to be doing. So I encourage everyone to try this. MagMod, if you're listening, you know, I think some photographers would like some more custom shapes or something like that, like hearts, maybe some, you know, shamrocks for upcoming St. Patty's Day, or maybe some Christmas stuff. So just food for thought. Again, this is Jaime Castro, Digital Images, so I hope you enjoy this, and I will make another video of the results of the photo shoot.